cut. Stay tuned.
They tell me that I'm never gonna make it. They want me to do something that could make sense. They hate when I keep dreaming I'll be famous, but I don't give a fuck, I'ma keep chasing.
Today's meal preparation ingredients are maize flour, water and cassava dough. So first off, you're going to pour water on the fire, add a little bit of maize flour in it in the water for it to boil, and then from there we are going to add cassava dough. Watch the process, stay tuned. So this is cassava dough. If you know cassava dough, we mix it down and we'll add it here. So I just wanted to show you that this is cassava dough, and this is the hot water that will be mixed with it as well. So here I am asking my aunt, why is she not using the maize flour as porridge, but rather using cassava dough for it? And she says the cassava dough enables the texture of the food to be very, very smooth and soft. So I hope you learned something new today. Stay tuned. Good morning. So I'm in the Volta region. We are preparing Akple. See how my aunties are looking at me recording myself. They're looking at me. So I'm here preparing Akple. And this is a meal enjoyed mostly by the Ewes of the Volta region. Oh, Nyatafe. And right now we are in Anyako. So here in Ghana, it is 6 a.m. and they are preparing this. So that should tell you we don't do tea in Volta. We do akple with fatridachi or joji tadi or hot pepper. Aha! So this is what we are going to eat today. So stay tuned. I'll walk you through the process. Okay. Pepsi. Hello. No salt. Apa? Masuk. Salt. So it's boiling. So she's coming to pour that in. Me mama. I woke up the phone. Oh, Vivi. You're quite a was. I couldn't let that. Anh ba bò. Mama dah hafna. Dah sini lah. Ani. Ko plan on the ranch ba makujo da na lu ko to ma It's not easy. Apparently, preparing this kind of banku, it's not easy. Now it's soft.
Afia majama. Oh, come on, you get your food there. What? Na kwagala kuna yo.
You must.
Nyala salanchi manyaba malaka mama.
She says she's available to cook for you. So she's mixing it before she pours it in. Oh, small.
Yeah.
Lasagna.
Femicham. Fafani. Money, bless ya ma ko sare na jopo yon mayiga. Every play for.
Mama ne ya la babru ne ma.
Akpe dada ko ya bloche ko.
Fika to.
Na nyaba nyama.
Bien fika. Bebelebe to ya ni an force to go.
Akpe dada na mo ko dan wa ko dio. Ola mo ka zo. 1 week that 2 weeks started.
I just learned something new. So apparently, if you prepare banku like this, you have to eat the very last one on it. And what she's also saying is that it's because she's preparing for a lot of people. It's like everyone's strength is what she's using to prepare it. So once she eats the very last one of it, at least she'll feel a little better. Else, she's going to have a whole body ache for a week. So, yeah, that's just it. Uncle?
Yeah.
Hey, true man.
You enjoy yourself.
Yes.
How far now?
We are watching how to prepare akple
Yeah, you do so.
the Voltarian way. My number 1 fan. Yes. Oh yeah. Wait, she should finish it first. Auntie Mata, over here. No. You should finish here. Joe Loretta is coming to prepare. Okay. Lefty on yellow.
How you do can
I can do right.
Yes.
She's lefty. I can't do lefty. I can do right.
Yes.
Yes.
We try. What shall put on a
Hey! I want to
You know how to glue that place. Ejaba.
Boy, nah, this is too much work.
Oh, abayo.
Bye.
There is too much.
Adonyalo.
A double boilo.
Abo konya.
Ako you could have. Oh, I told you, Papa, go back and
Magaji. Abana plana to
Last one.
Hey.
Yo, she's really,
my
really
protein.
good.
Anya.
The strength in
Yamaga my brother go. Eh, you tell my lie, Lashi.
say I didn't go for more.
Hey, Titati. How are
School of Baba Jebo. Baba Gaba. O come on, Kadama Wadi. Kakoko Moiza.
No more plan here.
Ya kwa jimo kone chie. Ana open kwan.
Mami.
Aku mau ke dia.
Uma tafia.
Kamu jual bokong.
Ah, we manage you. It's left in the hall.
Succulent.
Finish.
Last day. Ale, vamos mudar para amo.
Basi uti se ntumale ntumapa.
See how succulent.
Ah, mila chochi aigo.
Anyo.
Baby.
He's putting on the fire so that it doesn't burn. Oh, okay. In Accra, this Banku is pricey.